The employee profile page is the first page that must be set up when adding a new employee. This page is where your employee's contact, personal, and employment information is entered. While only a portion of the fields on this page are required, we do recommend completing as many as possible. This is because some of the optional fields can carry into other areas of the software. One example is the birth date field. If a birth date is entered, the system will look at the employee's age in determining limits on HSA and retirement plans. The marital status field on the employee profile page is informational purposes only. It does not affect the employee's tax withholdings. EEOC information is also entered on this page. The race and job category drop-downs will be pre-populated, but you will need to add your locations using the Locations button. Note that if your company is smaller and does not have the EEOC feature activated, this may not show. Next, the separation, rehire, anniversary, and eligibility date fields may interact with other components of the software. For example, the separation date field will be populated if an employee is terminated on a different screen. Also, if a separation date is entered here, you will be prompted to terminate the employee. The rehire, anniversary, and eligibility dates may be used to override an employee's amount of paid time off based on their length of service if your company tracks that in our system. Contact a meeting systems if you are unsure of how these fields will impact the paid time off an employee would receive. If no dates are entered here, the system will use the hire date to calculate an employee's length of service to reference how much paid time off is given to the employee. The employment information section is where information specific to the employee's job is assigned. For example, job title, supervisor, and department or cost code. Finally, use the note section at the bottom of the screen to type a note about the employee. This note will not be visible to the employee.